Hello, this is Dan Ferrisi, Group Director of Content and Editorial, Industrial and Tech at Emerald. So happy to be joined today by Yaki Sfadya here at the HDBaseT Alliance booth at ISE 2026, where we are celebrating 15 years of HDBaseT. Yaki, really appreciate you being here with me.
Thank you, Dan.
So let's get right into it. We want to talk a little bit about the future of meeting rooms, the future of meeting spaces. I know that I am seeing a lot of demand for multiple cameras, multiple different streams. They have to be very tech infused, but almost, paradoxically, people also want simplicity. They want absolute bulletproof reliability, but they want simple infrastructure to enable all of that technical capability. Do you agree with that, first of all? Do you agree with that assessment overall?
Definitely. And we can see it here in ISE all over. We see many solutions which are dedicated for the next generation meeting room, including or supporting many devices in the room, cameras, multi-screen, microphones. Everything is being doubled and even multiply in the meeting room, in the next generation meeting room. And basically, AI is entering to the meeting room. We see it already now. I believe this will be accelerated in the next generation meeting room. And we need sort of a solid infrastructure to cope up with this trend. Multiple camera, multiple screens, multiple devices all over, and some of them are connected directly with native interfaces like HDMI. But obviously we see also USB 3, which is required for new devices, new video bars supporting USB 3. And again, going to what HDBaseT contribute to this type of trend, I would say, in a meeting room, is definitely the ability to run or to extend those devices, sophisticated devices, including USB 3, including HDMI, audio. All this stuff is being converged over a single category cable. And again, if we are from one hand, we have, of course, the addition of all type of peripherals added to the room. On the other hand, we would like to have something which is simple for installation. Don't need many cables all over. And again, this goes to the basic of HDBaseT. And HDBaseT provides, from one hand, a single cable for extension, supporting all the different native signals, including USB 3, including HDMI, for multiple screens. Together with that, we are providing an extension up to 100 meters, very solid, very reliable, and this is exactly what we are targeting also for the next generation meeting rooms.
I think that's very well said, Yaki, and I couldn't agree more. I mean, people do want that simple infrastructure, highly reliable infrastructure, ease of installation, not having a whole lot of clutter in terms of the infrastructure, but at the same time, as you say, having very enabled technology for multiple streams, multiple cameras, multiple needs, but that infrastructure can support all of that. The other thing it needs to support, of course, is AI. Everyone is talking about AI these days, AI-infused meeting rooms. What is your vision for AI-infused meeting rooms, and how, again, does that infrastructure, that backbone infrastructure, enable the AI to be successful and to work?
So, again, we are going to the basic. Whenever you want to run AI functionality on audio, recognize where exactly the voice is coming, who is speaking right now in the room, and point the camera to this person, you need, again, something which is very reliable in terms of connectivity. This is the basic. If you don't have that, you cannot go and leverage the AI functionality over something which is not reliable enough to run in the room. And again, we are going back to HDBaseT. HDBaseT is a reliable technology. We are not doing any manipulation on the data. It means that you are getting the transparency between the source and the sink device without any manipulation. And this is the benefit of getting AI functionality on top of something that you are basically connected directly. So if it's a microphone, if it's a camera, the camera, even with the extender of HDBaseT, seems like it's connected directly to the PC or to the unit which is implemented the AI functionality. And this is what HDBaseT is all about.
And I think that's why, as I say, we've had 15 successful years of HDBaseT, and we are looking forward to another 15 and beyond in the future. Any closing thoughts, once again, from the perspective of HDBaseT and the Alliance on your 15-year anniversary, as you look forward to the future of meeting rooms, what they will need, and foundationally, again, the infrastructure that makes it all happen. The devices can't work if the infrastructure cannot support them. Exactly. That is why it is so foundational.
Yeah. So I expect to see more and more innovation coming from the HDBaseT technology, HDBaseT Alliance. We are working on additional products that will be continue the roadmap of HDBaseT with more capacity, more bandwidth support, and definitely targeting even the next generation of meeting rooms. So I do foresee a very interesting, I would say, future for HDBaseT and for all the Alliance members.
Interesting to say the least. That's probably an understatement. Thank you so much, Yaki. It's good to talk to you. Very much appreciate learning from you today.
Thank you, Dan. It was a pleasure.
My name is Dan Ferrisi. I am Group Director of Content and Editorial, Industrial and Tech at Emerald. Delighted to be working once again with the HDBaseT Alliance here at ISE 2026, where we are celebrating 15 great years and a bright future for HDBaseT.